What do you got for us, stack of the day?
Well, how about Petro Hawk Energy?
Like those guys.
Yeah.
A friend of Shanny's, too.
Yeah, well, yesterday they stepped in and were buying a lot of calls in HK. Let me see which strike in particular, Chief. So this one's one of those where if you're a longer-term investor, probably a lot of folks that are frequent listeners to Stocks and Jocks are longer-term investors.
Longer than here to the weekend?
Yep. They were buying 30,000 January 25 calls for $2.48. And then they did 30,000 January 21 puts sold for $2.13. So in other words, they actually only put on the table, now they have significant risk, of course, stocks below 21, the seller of a put has to buy it. So neither Chief or I are telling you to go out and do this trade, but somebody basically was financing their purchase of a call by selling these puts. So they're saying, I'm confident below 21 that I'd like to own the stock, and I will have upside if the stock starts to move back up to the highs of the year, which are 2750-ish. And they were doing that trade yesterday. Pretty aggressive trade.
Last year at this time they were not this time, but a little later they were like 14.5. John, they had a double bottom there, so it's up some from last year for sure. So it's lower than the high, but it's higher than the low.
Yeah.